Yeah, you are cooking.
You can say, I am cooking.
I'm
Yeah, or just, I'm cooking.
I'm cooking.
Yeah.
For me. I'm cooking. I'm making circle.
Yeah, good job making circle. I think it's almost done. You can put some pepper on it now. Alright, here are the peppers.
This is messy one.
You can leave it on the plate. On the big chicken plate.
There's the chicken plate.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm not going to use knife.
No, you don't need knife. Let me cut the chicken already.
Use my own knife.
Yeah, when you use knife, you use your own knife.
Not those.
Yeah, that's sharp.
Be older kids, you use those ones.
Yeah, you should be older.
You have to be older.
Daddy's cutting pizza.
From houses.
Yeah. You got done with the peppers?